Salam Sejahtera. My name is Victor Tang. Today I will be representing my group member Brian Wong and Chong Hui Chan to present to you regarding our innovation. Our innovation is titled Solar Power Bird Nest Home. So what is this innovation about? Okay, as we know in Sarawak, there is a lot of swift bird in the area, especially in the Kapit area. So we're going to propose a smart bird nest home to help the local community to generate income by providing a way of learning how to build a bird nest home. Okay, so we're going to design a scale model. We're going to pick a site which is suitable to build the actual building. Okay, the building that we're going to propose will be fully automated. That means the area doesn't have to have basic utilities. It doesn't have to have power utilities. It doesn't have to have water coming through it. Because ours will take all the natural resources from the land. For example, we are using a solar powered building, so it will be stored inside the battery, so it will provide light to the building using battery. And furthermore, the water will be collected from the rainwater. This will use to make the bird nest home cooler and also to provide water to the birds. So what is so special about our building? As I mentioned before, our building, compared with the traditional way of doing things, we don't have to have a power from the SESCO. We don't have water coming from the water board. We only need to have maintenance automatically. This means we maintain our building without support from the power and also the water company. Okay, so to give you a clear example, I'm going to show you a video how we're going to do this. So now I'm going to roll the video. Okay, now you can see our project. Okay, we take the rainwater and we store inside the tank. The tank will flow inside to the building, and the building have a small tank inside the building. This will have a how you call it, a ventilation using the fan, so it will cool the whole inside of the building. So maintain a ambient temperature for the bird so that it will feel comfortable inside. Furthermore, this will also provide water for the birds. And the other one is power. Okay, so the solar panel will store the power inside the battery. The battery will supply the power to the lighting during the night, and also to supply the radio, the speaker for the birds to come. Okay, and furthermore, there is a photo cell which will on the light during the night time. Okay, and also for the user, when they want to come, they can switch off the light manually. So all is self-regulating. We don't need to have people to maintain it. Okay, we need to come once in a while to look and to do a brief maintenance only. This project is to help the local community, to help them to generate the income. Okay, some of the land they don't have power utilities, so this can be built anywhere inside the area. Okay, hope you have a clear picture of our innovation project. Hope you enjoy our presentation. Thank you very much, and hope to see you soon.